In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video on a Shopify page. We'll walk through the process inside your Shopify dashboard, so go ahead and log into your store. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the section labeled Online Store. This is where you control the look and feel of your website, including themes and pages that your customers see. Click on Online Store to open up the theme options. On this page, you'll see your current theme at the top. Next to it, there should be a button that lets you edit the theme. Click on Edit Theme to open the theme editor. This is a live preview of your store, with a panel on the left where you can manage sections and a preview on the right showing how everything will look to visitors. Now decide where you want your video to appear. It could be near the top in the header area, in the main body of the page, or down in the footer. In the left-hand column, locate the section that sits just above where you want the video, then click the Add Section button underneath it. A list of available section types will appear. From this list, scroll until you see Video and click on it. Shopify will add a new video section to your page. You'll notice that in the left-hand column, a new video entry appears. Click on that video section again in the left panel to open its settings. Inside the video settings, you'll see a field for a video URL. Click into this URL field and paste your video link. This will usually be a link from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure you use the correct share or embed URL so it loads properly in the preview. Next, you can add a cover image, which is the thumbnail people see before they click play. Click on Select next to the cover image option. A media library window will open showing images already uploaded to your store. If you see one you like, click on it to select it. If you don't have a suitable image yet, click on Add Files and upload an image from your device. When you're happy with your choice, click Done to confirm. Back in the video settings, find the field labeled Video Alt Text. Click into this field and type in your video title or a short description of what the video shows. This helps with accessibility and search engines. Finally, when everything looks good in the preview, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your video is now embedded on your